In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon in WordPress step by step. A favicon is that small icon you see in the browser tab next to your website name, and it's a simple detail that instantly makes your site look more professional and trustworthy. The good news is that WordPress makes this extremely easy, and you don't need any plugins or coding at all. I'll walk you through the entire process, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can follow along. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website, where you manage posts, pages, and your site's appearance. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. From here, hover over Appearance. When the menu expands, click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer, which lets you make visual changes to your site and preview them in real time. Inside the Customizer, look for an option called Site Identity. This is where WordPress stores your site title, tagline, logo, and your favicon, which WordPress officially calls a site icon. Click on Site Identity to open those settings. Now you'll see an option labeled Site Icon. This is where you add your favicon. Click on the button that says Select Site Icon or Add Site Icon. A media window will pop up, allowing you to upload a new image or choose one from your existing media library. If you're uploading a new image, make sure it's square for best results. WordPress recommends at least 512 by 512 pixels, so it displays properly across browsers and devices. Select your image and click Choose. WordPress will give you a preview of how the icon will look in browser tabs and on mobile devices. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish at the top of the customizer. This step is very important because your changes won't go live until you publish them. Once published, your favicon is officially added to your WordPress site. You can open your website in a new browser tab and you should see the new icon appear next to your site title. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache, as sometimes it takes a moment to update. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a favicon in WordPress using the built-in tools. No plugins required. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in branding and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.